As the question says, a person is standing on a truck moving with a constant velocity of 14.7 meter per second on a horizontal road. The man throws a ball in such a way that it returns to the truck after the truck has moved 58.8 meters. Find the speed and the angle of projection as seen from the truck and as seen from the road. So let us first deal with the A part of this question. Now, we all know that as seen from the truck, the ball moves vertically upward and comes back. Now, time taken by the ball will be equal to time taken by truck to cover the distance that has been given as 58.8 meters, because by the time it will come back, the truck would have moved by a distance of 58.8. So we can get the time t as the distance upon velocity, which is the constant velocity, giving us 58.8 over 14.7, that is 4 seconds. Now, velocity for the truck is 14.7 meter per second. The initial velocity we don't know, while the acceleration is minus 9.8 if we consider the vertical motion of the ball that has been thrown in the vertical direction. So, if we consider the time, that is half of the total time, that is 2 seconds. Obviously, this is the time when the ball will be at its highest position. Half of the time it will go up and the other half it will come back. So we are taking at half of the total time. So we can apply the first equation of motion, that is v equals to u plus at. The final velocity will be 0 at the highest point. The initial velocity we need to find out. Acceleration being minus 9.8 and the time being 2, giving us the initial velocity with which it was thrown being 19.6 in the upward direction. Now, let us deal with the same problem when seen with respect to the road. Now, since the road is at rest, this motion will seem to be a projectile motion from the road, where we take this distance as y and this angle is to be found out, and it later comes out to be 53 degrees. You will see how it comes. So let us proceed with the question. We have the total flight time as capital T equals to 4 seconds. Also, we have the horizontal range, that is x equals to 58.8 meters. And we all know that the horizontal range is equals to u cos theta, that is the horizontal component of velocity, into time. And here we have been given that the horizontal component of velocity is 14.7, because obviously it will be equal to that of the truck. So, if we consider the vertical motion of the ball, we can say that y equals to 0 square by minus 19.6 square. Note this is coming by the third equation of motion, 2 into minus 9.8, giving us 19.6 meters. Now, applying the second equation of motion, we can say for the vertical motion that y equals to u sine theta into t minus half gt square. Putting the values over here, we get 19.6 equals to u sine theta into 2 minus half into 9.8 into 2 square, giving us the value of u sine theta equals to 19.6. Now, we have got u sine theta as 19.6 and we have already got u cos theta equals to 14.7. Dividing this equation number 2 with this equation number 1, we get tan theta equals to 1.33, giving us the angle theta equals to 53 degrees. Moving on further, putting it in equation 1, that is u cos theta equals to 14.7, we get the initial velocity u equals to 24.42. So, we can say that the speed of the ball is 24.42 meters per second at an angle of 53 degrees as seen from the